Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 220i M Sport Coupe finished in Alpine White. It has 19-inch M double spoke alloy wheels and M Sport high gloss red brake calipers, enhancing the sporty look of the car. The wing mirrors can be electrically folded in when locking the car to protect them from passing traffic or pedestrians, and they'll fold back out when unlocking the car. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. With 184 horsepower, it has a top speed of 146 miles per hour and can get from 0 to 62 in 7.5 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has Alcantara Sensatec Black with blue stitching upholstery and front heated sport seats, along with a heated steering wheel, both perfect for driving in the cooler temperatures as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 220i M Sport Coupe, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.